अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज का लेक्चर हमारा एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल यू अबाउट positive active passive formula. Clear? First of all, subject will come, then which helping verb will be used, was, were, then fourth form of verb, and then object, then full stop. Clear? And if subject is singular, then you will use singular helping verb. If subject is plural, then use plural helping verb. Clear? And what is fourth form of verb? If we add ing with the first form of verb, then it becomes fourth form of verb. Clear? Positive. Now we will see positive passive formula. What will come first? Object. On the place of subject, what will come? Object. Then according to the object, we will use helping verb. If object is plural, then use plural helping verb. If object is singular, then use singular helping verb. Then change fourth form into being, then third form of verb, and then by, then subject. क्लियर? अब हम देखते हैं इसका जो नेगेटिव एक्टिव पैसिव फॉर्मूला वो क्या है। सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाजंट वरेंट। ठीक है, ठीक है, वॉज के साथ नॉट लगा दिया तो वाजंट बन गया, वर के साथ नॉट लगा दिया तो वरेंट। फिर फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, देन ऑब्जेक्ट। अब हम इसका पैसे देखेंगे, क्योंकि हम सीख चुके हैं कि पॉजिटिव पैसिव कैसे बनना है, इसी तरह नेगेटिव बनना है पैसिव। ठीक है, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस वाजंट वरेंट, फिर देन बीइंग, देन थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, देन बाय, देन सब्जेक्ट। इसका इंट्रोगेटिव देखते हैं एक्टिव पैसिव फॉर्मूला। नाउ लेट्स सी इंट्रोगेटिव एक्टिव पैसिव फॉर्मूला। व्हाट विल कम फर्स्ट? These helping verb, was, were. Clear? Then subject, then fourth form of verb, then object plus question mark. See, let's see passive formula. Was, word will come first because it is interrogative. At the place of subject, word will come object. Fourth form will change into being, then third form of verb, then by, then subject. Clear? Now negative interrogative active passive formula, it is wasn't, weren't. Change was into wasn't, then weren't. Then it will become a negative interrogative. Then subject will come, fourth form of verb will come, then object. Just simply add not, then it will become negative interrogative. Now see passive formula, wasn't, weren't, then what will come on the place of subject? Object. Then fourth form changes into being plus third form of verb, then by, then subject. Now let's see sentences, how we can make active passive sentences. Hassan was learning a lesson. Hassan is the subject. Clear? Was is helping verb, learning is fourth form of verb, a lesson is object. Then what will come at first in passive? A lesson was, lesson is singular, then what will use? Was. Fourth form changing to being, then third form of verb. Learn, third form of verb is learnt, being learnt by Hassan. Now see negative active passive. Hassan wasn't learning a lesson. A lesson wasn't being learnt by Hassan. Now see positive passive formula, positive passive sentence, and see negative passive sentence. Both are same. Just what is the difference? Just not is there. That's why it is negative. Now see interrogative active passive. Now was Hassan learning a lesson? Clear? Because it's interrogative, that's why we will use helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Now passive will also be interrogative. Was a lesson being learnt by Hassan? Fourth form changing to being plus third form of verb. Now see negative interrogative active passive. Wasn't Hassan? What we have done here, we have added not with helping verb. That's why it is negative interrogative. Wasn't Hassan learning a lesson? Clear? Then passive, what will be the passive? Wasn't a lesson. What will come at the place of subject? Lesson. A lesson being learnt by Hassan. A will come in Hassan. Sorry. Now see active sentence identification. What is the identification of? How you can identify this is active sentence? If subject come first, then it is active sentence. If object come first, then it is passive sentence. Clear? And third form of verb will come in passive, and then by, then subject. They will change their places. Clear? Object and subject change their places. Clear? In all active passive. In all active passive, third form of verb will come. Before changing active into passive, you should know these pronouns will be changed from active to passive. I will change into me, we change into us, you changes into you, it may remain same. He changes into him, she changes into her, they change into them. Clear? These are all active passive sentences. Clear? Of past continuous tense. Clear? If it is past, then which helping verb should come there? Was, were. If it is continuous, then which form of verb will come there? Fourth form of verb. You should know this. Clear? And if you like the video, clear, if you have watched, after watching my video, you will like it. Clear? Press the thumbs up button and like my video, and comment my video. If you can't understand anything, you can ask in comments. Clear? And after watching, you should share my video in your groups, in your status, and on other social media network also you should share. On Facebook you should share it on Snapchat, and then you can spread your this one concept. Clear? And this one knowledge, and we should spread this one knowledge, and we should not hide from others, and share with your friends, relatives, teachers, colleagues, students. With all you should share it with your family members also. Okay? Watch and say to them to watch, and subscribe my channel also. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should subscribe. Clear? And press bell icon button also, then you can get my next videos also. On daily basis, on regular basis, you can get my videos. Clear? Thank you for listening and watching. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.